Welcome to Millet Food Series. Today we are preparing upma with foxtail millet. For this, we need the ingredients are onions, potato, carrots, tomatoes, green chilies, salt, foxtail millet, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves, turmeric. Roast 1 cup of foxtail millet and then wash and soak it in 2 cups of water. Put some oil, then add mustard seeds, curry leaves, onions, finely chopped green chilies, pinch of turmeric, fry it till it becomes light brown. Now add tomatoes, carrot, potatoes, cover it with the lid. After it cooked well, put the millet soaked water, then add salt to taste. After soaking for 5 hours, now add the millet. Cover it with lid till it cooks. Once it cooked, then take small quantity of ghee in the cup. Then put the upma in that. Delicious upma is ready to eat. This upma can be prepared in the morning twice in a week. This breakfast is easy to prepare and also healthy. Thank you.